How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Man Cave. I got some complaints last time about the aura of toxic masculinity that this room exudes. But I don't apologize for the fact that this is a raging ocean of testosterone. And the ecosystem of that ocean is entirely dominated by alphas at the top of the food chain. So the ocean's also red, because they're all at the top of the food chain, so they're just killing each other all the time. It's red with blood. So anyways, today I'm going to take you through a breakdown of MSR Cresson, track here in Texas, down south of Fort Worth. And let's see how it goes. Let's teach you all up, get you educated. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit play and get this going. So you're coming down the front straight, and oh my god, there we go, it's all one color. Crap, where are my references? I don't know where we're going. Just get to the apex, it's somewhere around there. There's grass, don't go in that. Oh crap. Oh jeez, guys. Oh man, crap. Oh jeez. Google, take me around the track. Where do we turn? You know what, guys? I just realized I've really been hogging a lot of the screen time, so I think I'm going to go get some help from one of the newest members of the Coles Racing team. Alright, guys. We're going to bring in resident expert, Dovey, newest addition to the Coles Racing team. Say hi, Dovey. Say hi. Yes. You're going to explain to them how to get around MSR Cresson quickly, correct? Oh, that looks like a yes to me. Alright, here we go.